Good day, folks. Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for the 1st of August. Well, markets have been pretty much on hold again today. Not an awful lot happening really. Everything's drifted sideways. The markets are now waiting for the result of the FOMC meeting. We'll know that in just under 24 hours' time, and then on Thursday, Thursday morning European time, we'll get the ECB and the Bank of England rate decisions to follow that up. The market's obviously hoping for some kind of economic stimulus, both from the Fed and probably more importantly from the ECB, given Monty's rhetoric last week when he said that the ECB will do everything necessary to support the euro and the EU. So I'd expect at least something to come out of the ECB meeting. Whether it does or not remains to be seen. If it doesn't, certainly the euro is going to head lower pretty sharply, as will equity markets. Right now, though, the euro's it's at 123. It's not doing an awful lot. It got down to 122.5 overnight, and a little bit above 123. Got up to 123.30, but it's sitting at 123, and I don't think we're going to do an awful lot for now. Likewise, cables at 156.80. That had a bit of a tough session after Moody's downgraded the outlook for next financial year. Dollar Swiss 97.60 and dollar yen's doing very little, around 78.15. What else we got? We got the Aussie and the Kiwi. They're both pretty well bid still. Aussie got up to 105.37 in Asia yesterday. It's back at 105, and the Kiwis at 80.85. But they're just hovering around, waiting really for the central banks like everyone else. In the meantime, though, we do get the Chinese manufacturing PMI today in Asia around lunchtime, so that might provide some volatility in the afternoon session. And then we've also got the European PMIs during the European morning, so we might see a bit of chopping around, but I think ultimately we're going to wait for the FOMC to give us direction. That's really about it. There's not an awful lot else to say. We're just waiting on the central banks. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any opinion here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's really about it today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.